Hello everybody! Tonight we make for me and my wife a nice chicken. And we make chicken Vesuvio. And I prepare everything over here on the table. I got thighs, salt and black pepper. I got patera. I got black pepper. I got a garlic. I got a peas. I got pearl, onion, salt, wine, and I got a thyme. And I need oil. Now, we start over here first. And I want to prepare the potato. And pour oil. Vicino mare, facciamo amore. I got a garlic, I split the garlic over here. And this is a small garlic, it's small, and I put over there. Now, I want to use thyme. I was picking up from my garden. I got so much. I got a salt. Black pepper. Amore. Okay, and we give it like this, all the oil, salt, and black pepper go together. Okay, now what I gotta do, I bring the chicken, the oil, and we go on the stove. I put the gas on, and I got the oven on already. Everybody know I keep on 400 degrees. Okay, I bring the potato over here. I got the peas, and I got the onion, and I got my wine. And we gotta make a Vesuvio. Okay, now we put oil. I gotta do the chicken. Now the oil gotta warm up because I gotta do the chicken. I want to make a nice, beautiful color of the chicken. Spira vicino mare, amore. Little salami and little cincin. Salute to everybody. Insomma, renare e tirarezza. Okay. We start with the skin down. Let me see if it's up. Yes. Good. Torna sorrento. We lower the flame a little bit. Ameria. Okay. Now when it's a nice and beautiful color, we turn on the other side. It gotta stay like maybe, let's just say, about 3 minutes on one side. Salute! I hope everybody started to be little now. Everybody got the beach. We started to move it a little bit now. I hope it. June, July, everybody go back together, but I hope so. I want to go on vacation, but now we get stuck with it. Salute. la sorrenda. Okay, good. It no stick. Good. Good.
Są bardzo salut de Troja.
Saluto, eh?
Troja.
Troia? Saluto da Troia. Troia! E io da Orsara venivo a Troia per vedere il cinema. Camminavo tutto e si andava a vedere. We was go look at the movie in Troia. I think it's like 15 kilometers. And we was walk. Boy, far away. We was walk with my friend and we was go see the movie. Nope.
Mary Ellen, she says it's her birthday.
Who?
Mary Ellen.
Mary Elena? Happy birthday! Salute! Mary Elena, right?
Ellen.
Ellen. Salute chin chin. And you I do wine and maybe you do champagne. Okay, salute. Linda.
Lucia Manfredi, she's watching you.
Lucia, a Montagute che si fa? Io qui stiamo sempre in chiuso nella casa. Tu forse a Montagute te ne vai alla montagna spaccata e ti vai a pigliare un bello frisco frisco a montagna spaccata. I want to give it nice a little more color.
Dave is cooking pappardelle.
Who?
Dave.
Okay, Dave, right? Pappardelle. Pappardelle alla bolognese.
Gianni has 43 years anniversary.
Happy 43 anniversary. E salute, cin cin. Salute. See, I'm moving the chicken once in a while, like I don't want to be stick on the pot. But this pot, it's really good. It no stick, but I want to make sure that I don't have no problem.
Lauren, she's watching you too. Brandon's wife.
Oh, hello. The baby, good? Okay, now, this, we gotta put wine. But when you put wine, you know, for the house, you gotta watch. You gotta load the gas, make sure to load the gas. Okay, you know, over here, we don't got the, that's inside the house, the sprinkler. Okay, it can kill the fire. Okay, now, this is the Vesuvius cola, because when you put the wine, it go but over here I gotta go Deglazing, like this. Hey. Okay, now we can put the flame back. Look at that. Okay, now we turn the other way. The chicken, you gotta take the wine on the other side with the skin. Più belle solo mia. Okay, now I'll lower the gas and we can take the chicken out and I put on this dish over here. Okay, now it's a time we saute the potato. Okay. We give a nice turn of the potato. We put the gas a little.
What size is the pan? It's
I think it's 17 inch.
no, 14, no?
Huh?
14?
14. You know, I don't want to. Okay. Okay, it's 13 inch. You're right. 13 inch. Okay, now we saute this. And now we put the pearl onion.
You can use chicken breast, but then you have to be very careful not overcook because this breast is cooked faster.
We saute like this.
Who cleaned the stove?
Yeah, I put in the oven.
No, somebody asked who cleaned the stove.
Oh.
Where is your wine?
La 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 la. That's over here, the wine. Salute. Oh, I want to say something. A lot of people say to me, Pasquale, what happened to your ring? Ta-da! I got my ring. Salute, chin.
No, the potatoes is raw potatoes.
It's a raw potato, and this potato, I put the chicken back and cook at the same time with the potato. Okay, now it's a time to put the chicken back. I put it right over here, one. Okay. Now I got the peas, okay? But the peas I gotta put almost at the end. Now this you gotta go in the oven. You gotta cook for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, I gotta take it out and I put the peas to cook together. Now the oven is 400 degrees. And this, the potato, the onion, and the chicken, you go in the oven for 35 minutes. Okay? All right. Let's put it in the oven for 35 minutes. And after, like I said, we put the peas, the cook together, everything. After like 45 minutes, the chicken, the potato, and the peas, it's cooked. And we take out, and we gotta have a nice dinner, me and my wife, with a nice glass of wine. Okay? I want to say thank you very much, everybody. To look all my recipe, everybody give it to me, but I give it to me compliment, but I give a lot of people look, they cook, and show it to me, I give a really good compliment. It's really good that everybody cook what I make and show it to me. And I'm so happy that I make a lot of people make. And we see it again next recipe. And I want to say thank you very much for your support to me, and thank you for the stuff. Thank you very much. And I want to say it again, salute e cin cin da everybody. Thank you very much. Arrivederci a tutti in Italia, goodbye, I see everybody, America, all the country, I want to say. Che everybody look at me while I'm cook. Thank you very much, salute e cin cin, and thank you very much for the stuff. Salute.